Welcome to the show. We begin in The Hague, where judges at the International Criminal Court have sharply criticized Kenyan politicians for seeking to influence the court. The politicians have been arguing over who fixed Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto, who is facing a case there. Some of the politicians have even attacked the court for being a political tool. But as KTN'S Sam Ogina reports, the judges are warning that no amount of criticism will influence their decision in this case.
Amid heightened anti-ICC rhetoric, claims of witness protection to fix the deputy president, increased prayer rallies and a petition to audit witnesses, in the famous Waki envelope that was believed to carry the full list of suspects, the ICC theatrics have played out like drama both locally and internationally. And the ICC judges have raised the red flag over the frenzied manner the court has come under a barrage of attacks.
Some elements on either side of these divided sentiments have not always shown restraint in their commentary. Even abusive commentaries have been directed at the court, of course in an apparent hope of bullying judges into the groove of these sentiments.
The court's presiding judge says the attacks were made to either support a conviction or acquittal, but in the long run end up undermining the work of the judges and the authority of the court. He expressed shock that some of the rhetoric amounted to insults aimed at the court and judges, but warns that the attacks will not bend or influence the court.
This case, in particular, what controls and will continue to control the outcome of the decisions of the chamber on any matter will continue to be the evidence and the law in their best appreciation by the judges and the judges alone.
The court has come under sharp criticism for admitting recanted statements as evidence against Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto and radio journalist Joshua Sang. Kenyan MP Moses Kuria kicked off the controversy when he claimed that he took part in recruiting false witnesses to fix the Deputy President. Kuria has been questioned by the ICC and enlisted to Sang's defense witness list.
Clamor in the media will remain wholly without effect in the outcome of the case, so we must encourage those concerned in the conduct to save themselves the trouble, for the only thing they achieve in the clamor is to shore up the imperviousness of the chamber.
The opposition coalition CORD is criticizing the ruling party's renewed onslaught on The Hague.
Kama kuna mtu ana kesi aende kotini afanye kesi yake, akitaka kuzungumza yeye mwenyewe azungumze, lakini hatutaki kuona mambo ya ukabila yakiletwa ndani ya mambo haya.
This attempt to try and link Raila Amolo Odinga with the cases in the International Criminal Court, I think is a lot of hogwash, and Kenyans should be saved from this circus that is going on.
Excuse me? You cannot be there.
The warnings from the judges came as the court gave South Africa more time to explain why it failed to arrest Sudan's President Hassan Omar al-Bashir when he visited the country in June. The ICC had initially given South Africa until October 5th to defend its decision. South Africa now has no later than December 31st to report progress of the legal proceedings, even though the ruling ANC party has voted to have South Africa pull out of the Rome Statute, which created the ICC. Sam Ogina, KTN News.